Stop Now, a public announcement by Blakely Moore. You may think it's alright, but it will kill you. Most people die every year, and most people don't know why. It's by smoking and vaping. It's a deadly mix. Vapors and smokers are everywhere, mostly in teens and young adults, but that doesn't mean adults aren't smokers or vapors. Most people smoke or vape, which is very bad because it affects our lungs, heart, brain, and other organs in our body. Just stop before you die, like most people. People just don't see the meaning of life, but you can. People, they just don't think life is right for them, so they smoke and die. Most people die after 2 decades because they won't stop smoking or vaping. You should stop now, while you still can. Smoking can hurt your brain, which is not bad, which is very bad. Symptoms can lead to death, which is not what which is very bad for you. And I know you'll be able to thinking this is not right, because you don't want to hear it, but it is right. I am not lying. It also may affect your lungs, which will have symptoms as chest pain, coughing up blood, and more, which could be the end of your life. Lots of people die from drugs. You don't want to be one of them. Trust me.